Hello and welcome back again to the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is a revisited video and the basically fish and chips, like normal English fish and chips. I made a mistake with the first one, although the fish was lovely, but I didn't do it with batter. I dipped it in egg and flour and breadcrumb and it didn't work. So I'm doing it again. I've got some nice cod fillets here. I've got some onion granules, garlic granules. I've got the potatoes. I've got a cup here for the flour. I'm going to do 1 cup of flour to 1 cup of sparkling water. And we've got some panko breadcrumbs. So we're going to dip the fish into the batter and dip it in the panko breadcrumbs. So we'll get started and we'll see you soon. So what we do, we cut the potatoes up into nice little wedges, nice chips, and soak them in water to get rid of some of the starch, and then we'll rinse them out, pat them dry, and then we'll season them and get them into the air fryer. So see you soon. So in with the flour, we've got our garlic granules, onion granules, salt, pepper, a cup of sparkling water, a new whisk, we'll get our chips out. These have been soaked in clean water to get rid of the starch. Just spread these out and we just dampen them off to get rid of the water. And we'll leave them there and then we'll come back. See you soon. Okay, so we're back. We've got our chips already washed, get rid of some of the starch and dry them out. So all I'm going to do is get some olive oil and some of this aromat seasoning, not a sponsor by the way. And we'll get those in the air fryer, so we'll see you soon. Olive oil, get a fish. It's in the batter. Into the breadcrumbs. And into the fryer. Well, not fryer, but so decided to do some onion rings as well. Put these in the batter. I'll add these into the breadcrumbs. Fish and Chips 2.0. It's a remake of the first one I've done, which I've done the batter wrong, and so obviously I've done it with the batter as it should be, which is just 1 cup of self-raising and some spring water with the panko breadcrumbs I'll put on it. Got our chips, which were done with just some seasoning and done in the air fryer. Decided to do some onions in the breadcrumbs. Got some nice little nice gherkins. They're really tasty. Normally in a fish and chip shop you get these big fat ones. They're called Wallies in the UK, and you get obviously the bigger onions. But I'm going with these little onions. They're really tasty. A little bit of rocket salad, a little bit of olive oil, and some lemon over the top, and another squeeze of lemon in case you want it over the top of that. And some salt and pepper if you want to add that as well. So this is the second version of the fish and chips, and I've already tasted this because there's another bit, and that's like cod, and with the batter, the breadcrumbs, which was done with garlic and onion granules, a little bit of salt and pepper in there as well, and it's really tasty. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. So thanks a lot for joining me on this Fish and Chips 2.0. Really appreciate all the love and support I've been getting, and I'll see you all again next time, and I'll see you soon. Take it easy guys, and stay safe.